Hello my poppin' beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, thumbs up, and yeah, so this will be my room tour. It is going to be quick. It is literally the day before I decided to move, so I was trying to get this done before I took all my stuff and put it in boxes. So I hope you guys enjoy. I will be doing a revamp tour once I get a beauty room again, but in the meantime, just enjoy what I'm about to show you guys. Thank you so much. So these are DIY frames. I got this idea from Danya, and I'll link her because she does have a YouTube, and I was inspired by her beauty room. And obviously this little shelf I did get at a Goodwill for 10 bucks. A lot of this stuff is like makeup, Too Faced, you know, Kylie Jenner. The Chanel and Vogue boxes were from AliExpress, and the little containers are from Target. That cup was from my friend Selena, and my little mini fridge is from my sister. That big sign is from Burlington, and then the cups, Starbucks cups, obviously you have to hunt for or trade. So yeah, I make the bow toppers myself. That Starbucks sign I made. Suggest for coffee mugs and stuff, get you a coffee mug stand. I found that on Facebook Market for 2 bucks, spray painted it. I have a video for that too, I believe, on my YouTube. All of these mugs and stuff, obviously I have them in this shelf, and a lot of them are already done or just cute little mugs. I do collect some mugs too. Obviously they're pink and some whites and some reds because it was like Valentine's Day and they had like sales. I have some iridescent ones that were hard to find. Some of the mugs too my friend Selena sent me. This is my baby's corner with her little shoe rack. This rack I got from my fiance's mom, and all her little tiny shoes fits here. I thought it was super cute, so she does have her section in my room. And then obviously a couple things were from Burlington, her bow holder, a lot of Rae Dunn. And then obviously her picture and the card that my fiance gave me for my birthday. Here is all her coats and jackets. I got this idea too from Tanya. I thought that was so awesome. I thought it would be cute to have her stuff. And little baby Chanel from Burlington. And then all my bag displays and stuff. Those are empty. I just like to collect that. I love Beanie Babies. I collect a lot of Beanie Babies, so I want to display that. I do have like a lot of perfume and a lot of just little gadgets and stuff right there. The LED light was from Burlington, and I got that for like 5 bucks or so. Then a lot of this stuff is some DIYs, and the little mini clocks from Home Goods. My Moschino palette that my fiance got me. Some Kim Kardashian perfume. My Stila collection. And here is all my rubber bands and stuff, like are my scrunchies, and I have those displayed on some candle holders. I got that from the dollar store, and honestly I don't know why I did that, but I mean it works. I have this jewelry Rae Dunn, and I keep my brass knuckles in there and some bracelets. You never know if somebody's gonna come in your room and you need some weapons. I don't know. Here's my sunglasses though, and that Over the Rainbow I got off OfferUp off a lady. That's a hard to find item with Rae Dunn. Here's my bracelet holder, but I put some headbands and scrunchies on this too. And as you can see, I just have like everything just displayed and stuff. I probably will have this a lot more neater once I get my new room. And yeah, so that's how I have the scrunchies displayed on those candle holders. They're like $1. Then this is my bottom shelf. Of course I have a mug and some miscellaneous stuff in there, keys. This is all my makeup, or more makeup. That has my MAC stuff, all my glitters. The little basket cart I got from, I believe, Hobby Lobby. Here's some MAC stuff. And just other miscellaneous stuff. Here's all my headbands. Here's where I had some MAC lipsticks. And then I just have some more MAC and more MAC eyeshadows and some glitters. And then obviously some Hot Topic and Smashbox makeup. Those are like collector stuff. I should have kept in the box. But I like to use all my things. So this is my earring holder, which is obviously a bead holder, but I like to, you know, have them separated. Then all my clips, my barrettes. And then these are my lipsticks. And then here is what I have in my baby section. So I believe there's more headbands in this one. Here in the trinkets, I have like little pins, and I keep just little stashes of some eyelashes too, and these little dollar trinkets that you can find. They look like I think they're called macarons or macaroons. I have no idea. All I know is they're bomb, so if you haven't tried them, try them. Got this coffee Starbucks purse from AliExpress and some ornaments I just left out because they're cute as decor. My snow globes from literally I think TJ Maxx, and then just little trinket stuff. Here's my straw topper bows I have displayed, my Bath and Body Works candles that I love to death. They smell awesome during the holiday season. Then I had my collection of body sprays. So I know I'm not the only one, but when Bath and Body Works have deals, you have to get multiple. Like it's like buy 3 get 2 free. So that's what I did. And then Pink had a sale where there was $7 a bottle, some were $5, so I had to go get those too. I have way too many, but I love them. Then I have my vanity tour. Obviously I made a YouTube video of that, so you guys could go check that out. I'm not going to go through that section because I already did on another video. This is the area rug my fiance got me, and all this is kind of like basically the whole thing that I showed you in the beginning. I got the chandelier from a website I forgot. This coffee bar I do have up on a YouTube video, and these curtains I got from Ross for like $7, and then I put flowers and a little dangling kind of diamond piece to go in the middle. This is my wall decor, and then these are like basically my backdrops for my YouTube, and that's about it, you guys. Thank you for watching.